Let's do work, energy, and power. This is a formula for calculating work done by a force. So when basically define the work done is defined by a force times delta x cos theta, where F is a magnitude of a force, delta x is a displacement, theta is the angle between the force and the displacement, that is theta. So the first thing that you need to do when you are dealing with work, in fact, how to calculate your work, first thing is to draw a labeled free body diagram. Now I have an example here. Let's say we have an object up maybe 2 kg. This object is on a rough horizontal surface. Someone applies a force of 10 newtons in that direction. The first thing that you need to do is to draw a free body diagram. And this object shift for maybe for 3 meters. That is from here to here for 3 meters. Then we are going to calculate the work done by each force that is acting on this object. Remember I said F is a magnitude of a force, delta X is a displacement, theta is an angle between the force and a displacement. Now, in displacement you must know that it had a direction of motion object. In this case, this object shift in this direction, which means the displacement nayo direction. Okay, so we draw a free body diagram. Remember we have a weight kuzo zonke object. Then since we surface bar, we have a normal force. A normal force is a force that is perpendicular to the surface and a surface exert on an object in contact with. So we also have a frictional force. Because the surface is said to be rough. Now the wave forces that we have. Now let's say maybe a frictional force is given as 2 newtons. Then we have to calculate the work done by each force per, okay? So the free body diagram, let me draw it here. So a free body diagram here, we have a normal force, we have a weight, that is a gravitational force, we have a force applied, which is a 10 newtons, we have a frictional force, which is 2 newtons per. So let's talk about angles. This object is moving in this direction, and this force is directed in that direction, which means the angle for 10 is 0 degrees. So if this one is 0, this one, we say normal force is always perpendicular, which means 90 degrees. For normal force, we have 90 degrees, okay? Then for the frictional force, where there is a straight line. So angles on a straight line form 180, which means upper is no 180 degrees. So it's no 0, it's no 90, it's no 180. Then if it's not the weight is perpendicular to the displacement. The weight is perpendicular to the displacement, which means upper weight we are going to put 90 degrees. Okay, so we can calculate the work done by each force. Sorry. So the first force that we have here is the force applied, which means we can calculate the work done by force applied. So the force applied is what? 10 newtons times the displacement is 3 cos the angle we set was 0 per. Then we get 30 joules. So it is positive because here with direction displacement. Okay, it is positive. Then sibale work done by a frictional force. So is by frictional force and a force times delta x cos theta. So a frictional force here, in this case, we said go 2. So we have 2 times what? Delta x, that is displacement is 3. 2 times 3 cos the angle for a frictional force 180. It will always be 180. So in this case, we are going to get negative 6 joules. Friction is doing a negative work on that object, which means if friction ibangela uba that object ingahambi ikhululekile, ingahambi kakuhle. But since it's sinaba sino 30, it's no minus 6, still with 30 we are winning apha. Then sibale work done by the normal force. Work done by the normal force. So in normal force ke ngu-apha funeka siqale sabala la normal force, okay? So xa sibala normal force, F net is equal to 0. Normal force is positive, weight is negative. So the normal force minus weight is equal to 0. So in normal force here, to weight mg, normal force minus, i-mass ngusithiwe ngubani phaa ngu-2 kg. 2 kg times 9,8, which is equal to 0. Then xa upressa lapha i-calculator, you get the normal force, which is 19,6 newtons. That is the normal force. So we are normal force apha iyafana ne-weight in this case, okay? So endaweni normal force sizofaka normal force times delta x cos theta. Normal force phaa ngu 19,6 times delta x ngu-3 cos i-angle ye-normal force ngubani? Ngu-90 phaa. So i-angle ye-normal force ngu-90, okay? So xa upressa i-calculator phaa you get 0 because of this 90, which means normal force does no work on an object. So there is no need to asibale work done by normal force izohlala ingu-0. The work done by normal force is 0 joules. Izohlala ingu-0. Then sibale weight ke ngoku. Ne-weight since ino 90 degrees phaa, the work done by weight would be equal to 0 joules. Then senza kanjalo when we calculate the work done by each force.